Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create statements in QuickBooks Online. Managing your financial records can be a daunting task, whether you're handling your own business accounts or managing finances for clients. One of the most crucial aspects of this process is the ability to generate clear and accurate statements. These statements are not only essential for tracking financial activities, but also for ensuring transparent communication with your customers. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of creating statements in QuickBooks Online, a powerful tool that can help you keep all your financial interactions organized and easy to understand. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial. Once you have logged into QuickBooks Online, you'll notice a navigation bar at the top of your screen. This navigation bar is your command center for accessing different features within QuickBooks. Focus your attention on this area and locate the New button, which is positioned towards the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will open up a drop-down menu, presenting you with a variety of options. It's important to mention that this menu is your gateway to many key actions you'll perform in QuickBooks Online, so becoming familiar with it will greatly benefit you over time. From this menu, you'll want to select the Statement option. Choosing this option allows you to create a concise document that outlines all the financial interactions you've had with a customer over a specific period. These statements are comprehensive summaries that can include unpaid invoices, credits, and detailed transaction histories, giving you and your customers a clear picture of account activities at a glance. Creating a statement is particularly useful when you need to gently remind your customers of any outstanding balances, or simply provide a summary of financial exchanges over time. After selecting Statement, you'll be prompted to enter the details required for your statement. This is the step where you get to customize the document to meet your specific needs. One of the key elements you'll need to specify is the date range you want to cover in the statement. You'll simply enter the start and end dates that define the period being reported. Another crucial detail is selecting the appropriate customer, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. Ensuring that these details are correct will help eliminate any potential confusion and maintain professional accuracy. Once you've filled in all the necessary information to your satisfaction, the final step is to click the Save button. This action not only saves your newly created statement in QuickBooks Online, but also makes it immediately available for email distribution if you choose to send it to your customer right away. Saving statements is important, as it ensures you have a historical record that can be referenced during future reconciliation and review tasks. Remember, accuracy is key in financial management, so take a moment to double-check all your inputs before finalizing the save. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a statement in QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process becomes even simpler with practice, and mastering it will undoubtedly help you streamline your financial management tasks. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating statements effortlessly, enhancing your ability to manage business finances efficiently. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create statements in QuickBooks Online, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.